If your voice sounds like a cheap version of your favorite singer, it's because it's actually a cheap version. And copying those your favorite singers is not making you any better. It's keeping you stuck. So in this video, we're going to help you stop singing like them and start sounding like you. One of our students came to the studio and was singing, let me not call the name of the artist, flawlessly, like she knows every riff, every run. But when she tried to sing without mimicking that singer, she froze. She didn't know who she was actually. She didn't even know who she was vocally. She didn't even know what her voice should actually sound like. So we worked together, and within weeks, she found a tone and a style that made people say, I've never heard anyone sound like you. And that's when she started booking gigs. People started inviting her to come and sing. Even she became confident to share her voice because now she was finally unforgettable. Now, why do you think we copy? Why do you think you're copying? You're copying because it's how you learn. You never develop your own muscle memory. You keep borrowing someone else's voice and you're ignoring the one you already have. So you need to stop copying great singers. Copying great singers is different from studying great singers. You can listen to them, admire them, and study the techniques that they employ in singing a particular song. But you must never lose your own identity because it is your identity that makes you unique. Imagine if Celine Dion was given the chance to sing one of the songs that was covered by Whitney Houston. You would see the way she would bring her identity into that song, and she will sound beautifully. And Whitney took Dolly Parton's song and she put her identity in it. And she sang that song to the extent many people do not even know that Whitney actually is not the real owner of the song I Will Always Love You. Mhm. So, how can you actually stop copying and have your own identity? So that when someone listens to you, they will say, oh my God, that can be only Gracie Dion. That is her voice. That is her singing. How? Let's try using never mind, I will find someone like you. If I try to imitate her, never mind, I will find. I don't even know how to do that. It's actually not going to bring out the best. But I can study what she did. If you look at her, you would see that never mind, I will find. It has this kind of feel. The resonance could be in the max, not in the head, not really in the chest like that. Never mind, I will find. And then I sing it with that same resonance, but with my voice and my story inside of it. Never mind, I will find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Did you see that? Did you see the difference? One is skill and the other is identity. I put the identity of Gracie Dion. If Gracie Dion was to sing that song, if Gracie Dion was the first person that the score was given to, how will Gracie Dion sing it? Now, How do you correct this? Choose a song you love, any song at all. Let's work with that. Now, let's remove all the stylistic choices in it. The runs, no copied vibrato, all those things. Just speak the lyrics naturally and sing the song in that speaking tone. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Good. Now try and sing it. Never mind, I will find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Did you see that? How was your own experience like? See, when that my students learned this thing that I just showed you, she did not stop loving her favorite artist. No, but she stopped being her favorite artist. And that's when people started loving her voice. That's when people started saying, oh my God, you sound amazing. You sound unique. Try to hum like, We have different levels to our voice. Find out where it resonates when you hum. Like now, if I'm humming like this, but I can feel the hum around here. Good. Never mind, I will find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Now, if you want it, think about the song. Okay, now that I've gotten where it should resonate, what's the message of the song and how does it relate with me? Never mind, I've found someone like you. Not just that you're singing and singing abstract. Never mind, I've found someone like you. Okay. So if I'm to tell somebody, never mind. Never mind, I found someone like you. Never mind. Never. And then think of how it relates, the emotion relates to you personally. Okay, how it relates to me is that, let's say, at my workplace, I have some people who work with me, and then they feel like, okay, without me, you can do without you. I can't do without you. Like your company will be nothing. And so at the end of the day, I tell the person, never mind, I found someone like you. I will find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you, so you can go. So, how do I say, never mind, I found someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Okay, so what kind of tone will I give? Will it be a warm tone? Will it be bright? It won't definitely be bright. Will it be dark? I'm not so sad, but let's say intimate, vulnerability. So let's use warm. Never mind, I will find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Did you see that? So, it's just for you to study that song and see how best to tell your story in that song. And in that way, you can sing the song without having to copy your song. This applies very well if you always do covers. And that is why people will listen to your own version of that song and say, oh my God, I love Trisha's version of this song. So, if you're ready to discover your voice, if you can start by grabbing our free vocal clarity starter kit and start from there, because it has 3 essential things that would help your voice every day. And if you want to take it a step further, that starter kit gives you the chance to talk with one of our coaches on the next step that you will take with your voice. So don't sleep on this. And if you want us to coach you through every step, then, my dear, you need to join our Find Your Voice signature program, whereby we are going to help you to find your own unique voice and begin to sound like you. If you're wondering why you still can't sing freely, that each time you're trying to sing, it's like something is holding you back, then, my dear, you need to watch this next video.